Hey, I'm gonna try this again. I don't know why, but my video keeps getting cut short, y'all. Um, USD 1.13 had a pullback play that I might have been able to get in here. I just wrote that in, not something we actually play. GBP JPY lost zero point 0.3 on, got out early. Glad I did because I would have suffered a full loss. And then not last, Euro USD. Uh, some big positions here, 3%, and then a 1%, 1.6 that I could have taken, but I did not. I was kind of skittish there. And this is what I'm in right now. 1.68 is where we're currently at. My original profit target was key level. My new profit target is the bottom of this pivot. And hopefully we get there. That'll be a 2.39. I will be closing this out before the markets close today. So that's what I got going on for today, guys. You guys happy trading. Have a good weekend, and I'll catch y'all next week. Peace.